Hi, welcome to Lila Does Tech. It's been a few months. I miss you guys. Anyways, let's get back into the project. So the project that I have for you guys now, as the title states, is my first WordPress website. I'm just going to run through it real quick and kind of talk about building it, why I built it, and why it looks the way it looks like. So this website was originally built for a small restaurant. So I had this kind of idea where I was like, I'm going to find a restaurant that doesn't have a website, and I'm going to create a website for them, and I'm going to sell it to them, and it's going to be awesome, and it's going to be so easy, it's going to be so fun. Yeah, that's not what ended up happening. So basically, and for some of the formats, I kept on, I left it in the original form. This is a picture from the restaurant, but this isn't, because I kept the original formats because I didn't know what they wanted. Anyways, I digress. So I basically created the website for them, presented it to them, and at first it was great. They really liked it. They were impressed with me and my whole portfolio I made for them. But came to find out a lot of things happened in between. But long story short, they ended up not wanting to do the plan with me, which is fine. This is our featured menu. So basically, this is my idea that I had for the website that was created for them specifically. So they have a different menu depending on the season. Like they had one for 420, they had one for Thanksgiving. So my idea was that every time they had a featured menu, we would just have a featured menu section on their website where they would just feature that menu. And that's kind of what I did here. But even though my plan with them didn't work out, I kind of still want to do freelancing. And I also want to get hired, but freelancing and finding businesses and clients that, I see potential in it does something to me. So I'm definitely continuing that in the future. Anyways, I honestly did not start off with WordPress when I made this website. I actually started off with basic, HTML, CSS, Java. Here, let me show you guys how that looks like. So this is my code. And this is the style, the CSS. So the reason why, and this is kind of how far I got before I decided to switch over to WordPress. And the reason why I kind of decided to switch over to WordPress was because although everything was working fine, the styling and everything of the sort, I was worried more about the back end stuff. And I was like, since I'm presenting this to like a small business, how would they be able to operate with this website when I'm not working with them 24/7? And just all of the nitty gritty that I was like, it would become so complicated later on. So I just decided, okay, let me try to find other frameworks, and WordPress is one of them. I studied WordPress. I learned it in about a few hours, like the basics and all that. And it was honestly really easy to use once I got the hang of it. Also through this, I've learned Wix as well, trying to help a friend with their website. So yeah, I'm having a lot of fun, but this was a short video. I hope you guys had fun kind of running through this with me and kind of learning a little bit learning about the first time I failed doing a project like this. But I hope you have fun, and thank you. I'll see you. Bye-bye.